Hi, I'm Tony from RARUK UK Automation, and in this video we're going to introduce the ER Flex from Enabled Robotics. So firstly, what is the ER Flex? Well, it's a combination of products. It's the E-Series robot from Universal Robots, it's the mobile industrial robot from MIA, and the architecture in the middle is made by Enabled Robotics. All three are governed by the same operating system, the same software, which makes it easy to program and reliable at the same time. The ER Flex comes with two e-stops, a 360-degree safety scanning system, and of course all the usual safety features we see on an E-Series from Universal Robots, such as safety planes and fully customizable joint speeds and joint force limitations as well. There are multiple different sectors already using the ER Flex. So the ER Flex hasn't just been designed with mobility in mind, it's about adaptability too. For example, some of our customers use them for lights out CNC machine tending, for parts distribution across warehouses, for lab testing, and with the ER Flex's charging station, it's got the ability to go and charge itself and get back to work immediately. Working in harmony with the E-Series robot, one of the key benefits of the ER Flex is it removes human variability. So this increases efficiencies and of course reduces costs at the same time. Able to operate as part of a fleet, the software architecture behind the ER Flex allows the robot and the base together to operate precisely, but it can also communicate with your equipment via OPC, UA or REST, while at the same time being able to talk to your in-house management system. So there we have it, that's the ER Flex. It's one of many products we've built up over the years to support our core E-Series range from Universal Robots. So if you'd like some more information on the ER Flex, or of course any of our other products, please get in touch and we'll help where we can.